Are you ready to revolutionize your TV watching experience? IPTV is your gateway to premium IPTV streaming, boasting over 35,000 channels and 200,000 movies and shows. Visit the 2TV store for the best IPTV provider. First, let's ensure you have the right device. IPTV is compatible with a range of devices including Android, iOS, smart TVs, and more. Next, download the IPTV app from your device's app store.
Came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't never take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm about it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. It's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top for the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long hard road, gotta go home. Yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah. Can't do flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, why they mad at a man like me? I went too crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my seat.
Once installed, open the app and select Sign Up. You'll need to enter your email and create a password. After that, choose your subscription plan. They offer multiple options to suit your needs. Now let's activate your account. Check your email for the activation link and click on it to finalize your account setup. After activation, return to the app and log in using your credentials.
Came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm about it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. It's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top for the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long hard road, gotta go home. Yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah. Can't do flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, why they mad at a man like me? I went too crazy. Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my seat.
For the best streaming experience, make sure you have a stable internet connection, ideally 25 megabits per second or higher. Once logged in, navigate through the user-friendly interface to start exploring channels and on-demand content. Remember, IPTV offers a variety of options, So take your time to customize your favorites for quick access. One common mistake to avoid is neglecting to regularly update the app. Updates often include bug fixes and new features that enhance your viewing experience. Finally, enjoy your favorite shows and live sports without interruptions. For the best IPTV provider out there, don't forget to check the link in the pinned comment.